Welcome back to another video, and today's topic Huawei P20, and we will be talking about the overall smartphone design. Now, a prototype has actually leaked out, and you can see in this image, the Huawei P20 does have a very high screen to body ratio, and let's get to it. You can see the front panel in the very top, the bezel is extremely thin, much thinner than the Samsung Galaxy S8. The sides are a little bit curved and it's edge-to-edge bezel-less. You can see the front camera and the different sensors on the very top, all perfectly laid out. And you can see the speaker smack in the middle. The screen to body ratio is absolutely amazing and something that we've never seen before. We may be seeing this Huawei P20 having the highest screen to body ratio smartphone that we've seen yet. Now, if you look at this picture here, you can see it's still the Huawei P20, the virtual home button, the back button, and also the square. You can see the bottom piece of bezel is just as thin as the top piece of bezel, and on the very bottom, you won't be finding a headphone jack at all. The Huawei P20 is heavily rumored to be removing the headphone jack altogether and going totally wireless. Now, this is a side view of the Huawei P20. You can see it's extremely thin. Huawei made many new innovation designs on the P20. You can see it's extremely thin, it's going to be extremely light. It may be coming in 2 or 3 different sizes for all we know. And on the very back, you see it having dual lens horizontal cameras. Huawei was actually rumored to be having a triple lens camera, but that may be for the Plus model of Huawei P20. In this image, you can see we get a much better perspective on the very bottom. You can see the Huawei P10 having the headphone jack and the Huawei P20 removing the headphone jack altogether. It's going to be an 18:9 aspect ratio, and the smartphone will be incredibly thin, much thinner than the P20. Now, this is another look of the smartphone, just showing you how simple and how nice it is. The back is just nicely in a solid color with the logo Huawei on the very bottom, and it just seems like a very sleek smartphone. The materials of the smartphone is most likely going to be metal on the very front and some sort of a metal alloy on the very back. Having a glass finish in the front and a metal alloy in the back is an incredible design, and I absolutely love it.